हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम टू रोशीज़ एजुकेशन पॉइंट। आज हम बात करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स जुलाई मंथ की 2020 पार्ट 1 है ये। विच स्टेट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय कैंपेन? द आंसर इज मध्य प्रदेश। इन पार्टनरशिप विद विच बैंक स्विगी हैज़ लॉन्च्ड डिजिटल वॉलेट स्विगी मनी? ICICI बैंक, हेडक्वार्टर मुंबई में है इसका। विच ऑफ दीज इज़ नॉट सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन जुलाई 1st? World Sports Journalist Day, it is celebrated on 2nd of July. What is the name of the medical bed isolation system developed by the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology? This DIAT, it is situated in Pune and it is under the Ministry of Finance. It is ASHRAY. India is set to renew agreement on scientific cooperation for the next 5 years with which global association? It is European Union. It had a virtual summit this year because of coronavirus. The summit was attended by Indian Prime Minister and was co-chaired by European Council President and European Commission President. Which Indian vaccine maker is to begin trials of the COVID-19 vaccine candidate developed by Oxford University, AstraZeneca? Serum Institute of India. It is situated in Pune, Maharashtra. Which state has approved Digital Economy Mission to promote startups, e-commerce and other gig economy companies? Gig economy company means informal jobs or jobs for short-term or freelancing jobs. The answer is Karnataka, holding 49% stakes, and other states are having 51% of the stakes. Kerala government has launched Dream Kerala project. Who is the present governor of Kerala? Arif Muhammad Khan. One more is given, Jagdish Mukhi. He is the governor of Assam. What is the name of COVID-19 health policy named by IRDAI? The full form of IRDAI is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Headquarter Hyderabad में है, Chairman Subhash Chandra Khuntia है. The answer is Corona Kavach. पॉलिसी का अमाउंट होता है 50,000 से 5 लाख के बीच में। टाइम पीरियड इसके 3 टाइप्स के हो सकते हैं, 3.5 महीने, 6.5 महीने या फिर 9.5 महीने। इसी नाम का गवर्नमेंट ने एक ऐप भी लॉन्च करा था कोरोना कवच के नाम का, जिसमें अगर आपके आसपास कोई कोरोना पॉजिटिव मिल जाता है तो वो आपको नोटिफाई कर देते हैं। विच स्टेट स्टार्टेड द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट प्लाज्मा थेरेपी प्रोग्राम? प्लैटिना, महाराष्ट्र। अब ये प्लैटिनम प्रोग्राम क्या है? अगर जो कोरोना वायरस से ठीक हो जाते हैं तो उनकी बॉडी से ये प्लाज्मा निकाल के और जो कोरोना पॉजिटिव है अभी भी उनकी बॉडी में डाल देते हैं। प्लाज्मा क्या है? वो पार्ट जिसमें कोरोना वायरस के एंटीबॉडीज़ होते हैं जो कोरोना से लड़ने में हमारी बॉडी को हेल्प करते हैं। नंबर 11, द फर्स्ट बैच ऑफ राफेल एयरक्राफ्ट लैंडेड एट विच इंडियन एयरफोर्स स्टेशन? सो इट वॉज लैंडेड एट Ambala Air Force Station after covering a distance of 7,000 kilometers from the Marignec Air Base in French port city of Bordeaux. Who has been named by the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to his new advisory group on climate change? Archana Soren. Next is the new National Education Policy NEP 2020 approved by the government will replace which of these policy? It's none other than NEP 1986. So it is replaced after 34 years. Which ministry has been renamed as the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Human Resource and Development? The Union Cabinet has approved the change in the name of the ministry. HRD ministry is currently headed by Ramesh Pokhriya Nishank. Which of the following IIT has signed an agreement with Power Finance Corporation for training, research and entrepreneurship development in smart grid technology? IIT Kanpur. Question 16. Which ministry has partnered with TCS ION to offer free online career skills training through NCS portal? Ministry of Labour and Development. It did so to enhance corporate etiquette, interpersonal skills, presentation skills and other soft skills of the job seekers. NCS, in partnership with Hire Me online assessment and hiring service provider, offers creation of video profiles for job seekers. Number 17. Name the person who has been appointed as the chairman of the Advisory Committee on Service Provider of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, IBBI. TV Mohandas Pai. The committee appointed him as its chairman to support the 12-member panel and provide professional insights to the service providers handled by the IBBI. Number 18. Who is the only cricket player featured in Forbes' top 100 highest paid athletes of 2020? Virat Kohli. His rank is 66. Tennis player Roger Federer tops the list for the first time. Cristiano Ronaldo stands second and Lionel Messi dropped to third rank. Which private sector bank has acquired a 24.19% stake in Dish TV Limited? Yes Bank. Private sector lender Yes Bank Limited has acquired a 24.19% stake in Dish TV India Limited, a company providing direct-to-home television service in India. इसके बाद एक invocation भी हुआ है of 44.53 crores due to default in payment of debt by Dish TV and some other companies. What is the revised turnover limit of medium enterprises as per approval of the Union Cabinet recently? 250 crores. This roadmap of approved upper revision is made effective under the Atmanirbhar Bharat package. So this was the part 1. अगर पसंद आया हो तो like and share करें. इसका part 2 जल्दी ही आ जाएगा. Thank you so much.